Want to master SEO for your WordPress website? You've come to the right place. Today, we're going to talk about the importance of SEO, or search engine optimization, for your WordPress site. In an online world filled with countless websites, standing out in search engine results is crucial. This is where SEO comes into play. We'll be covering key strategies like keyword research, creating quality content, and on-page SEO. We'll also dive into the significance of site speed, mobile optimization, backlinks, and internal linking. Not to forget, we'll touch on user experience and the importance of monitoring your SEO performance. All these factors play a crucial role in improving your site's visibility, driving more organic traffic, and ultimately, helping your site rank higher in search engine results. So, if you're ready to give your WordPress site a significant boost in search engine rankings, let's dive right in. First off, let's talk about keyword research. This is where your SEO journey begins. Think of keyword research as a roadmap guiding your content creation and optimization efforts. It involves identifying and understanding the terms and phrases your potential audience uses when searching for content similar to yours. A tool you'll find incredibly helpful in this process is the Google Keyword Planner. This tool helps you discover high-value keywords relevant to your content. It shows you the search volumes, competition, and even suggests other related keywords you might not have thought of. Once you've identified your keywords, it's time to strategically sprinkle them throughout your content. Include them in your titles, headings, meta descriptions, and naturally within your content. But remember, avoid keyword stuffing, as this can harm your SEO. In essence, effective keyword research is like laying the groundwork for a house. It's the foundation of a successful SEO strategy. Remember, effective keyword research is the foundation of a successful SEO strategy. Content is king, and on-page optimization is its kingdom. Now let's delve into the realm of content and on-page SEO. In the grand scheme of SEO, quality content stands tall as the reigning monarch. But what does quality content mean? It's content that provides value, engages your audience, and keeps them coming back for more. It's content that's well-researched, well-written, and truly informative. High-quality content is not just about impressing your audience, but also about impressing search engine algorithms. When your content is seen as valuable and relevant, it's likely to rank higher in search results. But creating great content isn't enough. You need to maintain a consistent posting schedule, regularly updating your site with new, relevant content signals to search engines that your site is active, current, and valuable to users. Now let's move on to on-page SEO. This involves optimizing different parts of your website that affect your search engine rankings. It's about making sure that your website and its content is search engine friendly. The key elements here include your meta titles, descriptions, and headers. Meta titles and descriptions are what users see in search results. They provide a brief summary of your content and should be compelling enough to make users want to click and visit your site. Headers, on the other hand, structure your content, making it easier for readers to navigate through your page. And let's not forget about schema markup. This is a powerful SEO tool that helps search engines understand your content better. It allows you to enhance your site's appearance in search results with rich snippets and structured data, like reviews, ratings, and prices. Implementing schema markup can significantly improve your click-through rates. In essence, quality content and effective on-page SEO go hand in hand. They complement each other, working together to make your website more appealing to both users and search engines. Remember, high-quality content and optimized on-page elements make your site more appealing to both users and search engines. In the fast-paced digital world, speed and mobile optimization are vital. Your website's loading speed can significantly impact your SEO, as search engines like Google prioritize fast-loading websites. Slow sites frustrate users, leading to lower engagement and higher bounce rates. You can improve your site speed by using caching plugins, optimizing images, and choosing a reliable hosting provider. On the other hand, mobile optimization ensures your website is user-friendly on all devices, especially on smartphones and tablets. As more people use mobile devices to access the internet, having a mobile responsive site is no longer optional. It's a necessity. Google uses mobile-first indexing, meaning it looks at the mobile version of your site for indexing and ranking. So ensure your WordPress website is mobile responsive. You can use responsive themes or plugins to make your site mobile-friendly. A fast-loading, mobile-optimized site is more likely to rank higher in search engine results. Now let's delve into the world of backlinks and internal linking. These two elements play a vital role in SEO, helping to boost your site's credibility and improve its structure for both users and search engines. First, let's talk about backlinks. Backlinks are links from other websites that point to your site. They're like votes of confidence in your content. The more quality backlinks you have, the more credible your site appears to search engines. But remember, it's not just about quantity. You want backlinks from authoritative, reputable websites that are relevant to your content. So, how do you acquire quality backlinks? One strategy is guest posting. This involves writing a blog post for another website, which includes a link back to your site. You can also do outreach, contacting other site owners and asking them to link to your content. But perhaps the most effective strategy is simply creating valuable, shareable content. If your content is informative, engaging, and unique, other sites will naturally want to link to it. Now, on to internal linking. Internal links are links that go from one page on your site to another. They help search engines understand the structure of your site and how your content is related. Plus, they improve the user experience by making it easy for visitors to navigate your site and find related content. To improve your internal linking, make sure each page on your site links to at least one other page. Use descriptive anchor text that gives an idea of what the linked page is about, and try to link between pages that are closely related in terms of content. This can help search engines understand the context and relevance of each page. In conclusion, backlinks and internal links are key components of a successful SEO strategy. They can enhance your site's credibility, improve its structure, and provide a better user experience. But remember, it's not just about quantity. The quality of your backlinks and the relevance of your internal links are just as important. Quality backlinks and effective internal linking can substantially boost your site's SEO. A user experience and regular monitoring are key aspects of SEO. In the realm of SEO, user experience is not a standalone factor. It's a conglomeration of multiple components that together create an intuitive, user-friendly environment, ultimately contributing to SEO. A key aspect of user experience is a clean and responsive design. This means your WordPress site should be easy to navigate, with clear menus and categories, and it should load quickly on all devices. Another vital component of user experience is reducing bounce rates. You see, when visitors land on your website and leave without interacting with your content, it signals to search engines that your site might not be relevant or valuable. So, strive to create engaging, valuable content that encourages visitors to stick around and explore. Now, let's shift gears and discuss monitoring. Regularly keeping tabs on your SEO performance is not a luxury, but a necessity. Tools like Google Analytics and Search Console are your best friends in this regard. They provide valuable insights into how your site is performing in search results, which keywords are driving traffic, and how users are interacting with your site. Monitoring allows you to see what's working and what's not. It's like a report card that helps you identify areas of improvement. For instance, if you notice that a particular type of content is attracting more traffic, you might want to create more of that. Similarly, if a certain keyword is not performing as expected, you may need to rethink your keyword strategy. But remember, data is only useful if you act on it. Analyzing the data is just the first step. The next and most important step is adapting your strategies based on your analysis. This could mean tweaking your content strategy, optimizing your site for different keywords, or making your website more mobile-friendly. The world of SEO is ever-changing, and what works today might not work tomorrow. So, stay updated with industry trends, be flexible, and be ready to adapt. Improving user experience and regularly monitoring your SEO performance are crucial for SEO success. Finally, let's wrap up with some final tips. We've journeyed through the realm of SEO for WordPress, covering essential strategies from keyword research, crafting quality content, on-page SEO, site speed, mobile optimization, backlinks, internal linking, to user experience. But let's not forget about image optimization. Compress your images, give them proper names, and use descriptive alt text. Smaller image sizes mean faster page loading, and that's a big plus for SEO. Always remember, it's not a one-and-done deal. SEO is a continuous process that requires regular monitoring and adaptation. Tools like Google Analytics and Search Console are your best friends in this ongoing journey. Stay updated with the industry trends, be flexible with your strategies, and never stop learning. Remember, mastering SEO is an ongoing process. Stay updated, adapt your strategies, and you'll see your WordPress site climbing up the search engine rankings. Thanks for watching.